Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change millimeter or inch entry switch on your Canon i-SENSYS MF650 series. So first, here we have the printer. Let's click on the home button here. And now let's click on the menu button. And we need to go over to the preferences and here display settings. Now here we will have the millimeter/inch entry switch. I'll change it to the millimeter, for example, and as you guys can see, those settings are configured now. And now I'll show you how to easily change it on the web page of your printer. So now we are at the main page, and here what we need to do is we need to click on settings/registration, go to the display settings here, and let's click on edit. Now here we will have it as millimeter/inch. It won't be called the millimeter/inch entry switch, it will just be called millimeter/inch. So it's right here, we can change it to inch. As you guys can see, it was on millimeter because we changed it on our printer before. And now I'll select inch and press OK. And those settings should apply in a moment. So as you guys can see, there they are. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.